In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install a new font for use in Affinity Designer. This process will have your creative projects looking just the way you want in no time, regardless of the style or design you're aiming for. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step to ensure you can seamlessly incorporate new typefaces into your design toolkit. First things first, you'll need to download the font you want to use. Typically, fonts are available in a zip archive, which contains either .ttf or .otf files. These stand for TrueType and OpenType font files, respectively. Both formats are widely supported, and you can choose either based on your preference or availability. Once you've identified the font package you wish to add, download it to your computer. Now that you've got your font package, it's time to unzip the archive. If the file is zipped, you can typically do this by right-clicking the zipped folder and selecting Extract All on a Windows machine, using built-in options to guide you through decompressing the file. If you're using other operating systems, they might have different ways to handle zipping, but the concept remains the same. Get those font files out of their compressed state and into a folder you can access easily. With the unzipped files at your disposal, locate the font files themselves. Whether they are TTF or .otf doesn't matter, as both need to be installed to be used in design programs. Now, right-click on each of these files. You'll see an option that simply says Install, or, if you have administrator rights on your device, Install for all users. Clicking this will start the installation process, making the font available within various applications across your system. Once the installation process is complete, you're ready to move into Affinity Designer. If the application was already open, you'll want to either close and reopen it or simply restart it to ensure the changes take effect. This refresh allows the software to detect the newly added fonts and include them in its list of available typefaces. In most cases, the new font should now appear in Affinity Designer's font list. If you're using the Artistic Text tool, for example, you can click on the Font Selection menu to see your new typeface listed there, ready for use. However, if for some reason the font doesn't show up as expected, don't worry. It's always a good idea to double-check that the installation went smoothly. You can verify this by going to Windows Fonts folder or checking through Settings, then Personalization, and finally, Fonts, to ensure the font is indeed installed. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a new font to your creative arsenal in Affinity Designer. Enjoy exploring and designing with your new typefaces.